Hello, back with Feed Beast Infinity Involved. I want to upgrade my machines a little bit. So it looks like I have just the basic now. So I guess I want to upgrade each one. I think it goes. So this is just the basic, and it goes to the hardened. Let's say basic again. It is just that's the hardened. I'm sure. Let me click back on again. So make this one. Get to the hardened. Oh, I don't know why it says basic. So that just says machine frame. So then it goes up maybe one. Oh, there's the reinforced. And that's the hardened. Okay, so let's go up here. Let's do the. Let me see if I have any. I don't know why that copper ain't being smelted. Something in the machine. Huh? Oh, that's good anyways. I don't know why it's not taking it in. But we'll save that for what we need to get to. Alright, so this is. Okay. First we'll work with this one. With the basic furnace. So I suppose the first one would be this one here. So we need just the basic and we need to make this. Let's see if I have that. Oh, I actually do. And what is the material for that? So I don't think I have a whole lot of it. Silver and gold. Alright. Drop this back in. Hopefully I can make some stuff on this crafting table without it being a pain in the ass. So throw the furnace back in. And it's going to be that pain in the ass. So I've noticed something about this setup. I'm going to take that off and it'll. I guess not. See, it makes other things. I don't even know where the hell that comes from. We'll try it one more time. Now I'm just going to make it by hand. I'll just get the parts out of there. Tap. Nope. See? It's like, I guess it doesn't really know a whole lot. Eventually, I'm just going to have to uh, replace it until they come up with a better setup because we get in the middle of doing something and stuff you can't find. Well, I got a bunch of gears. That wasn't a bunch of gears. I wonder why that shit was at. Look like. I don't know. Let me put this back. It's a good system. I mean, for making quick items stuff, but it just It's a pain in the ass. Alright, so we need some to make the harden. So we're probably gonna need all these. What I have out. And let's see, it was this, and then, so now we got the harden. So now we want to get down to this one. I guess that was the hardened one. Now to make the stuff. So it's going to take copper and silver. I'll take a stick of that. Now, I want to just put it in here. Wrong one. I got a little bit of lag. I'm uploading right now. Is that gonna? It's not gonna let me do it. What if I can? Just here. Nope, ain't gonna let me do that either. Okay. So just throw them in here. It's not really slow, but and now I'm losing power. It might be because I don't have any. I redid a bunch of uh, I changed the outside of my walls and stuff. So I just had regular cobblestone there. And do one more. And I think it made the place look a lot better. I changed the wood, used a chisel, changed the floors. It looked awful plain before. Oh, I thought I had nothing. Nah, it's not. Okay, then we need some redstone. What else was in that ingot? It was silver. Oh yeah, I need 5 more copper, and then this. All right, I need 5 more in there. I need some buckets. And we need some redstone. A couple of them out later. Let's see, which one am I using for this? I think it was this. I think that's here. I got glowstone in. This one here I got XP. Oh man. So I'm gonna need another one of these foot transposers. Wonder if I break it, I get to keep it. It ain't no big deal if I don't. Let's just throw it down sick. Nope. So we're gonna need the fluid transposer and magma crucible. So, let's see. Over here. See if I can find them. Fluid transposer. It might let me make it in here. And that's how I'm gonna try it again. 10 gear. I think we'll need two. I should just. I'll give it another try. Then we need some copper gears. I don't know if I just made it or not, but it'd be alright. Should have some already in there. Let's see. We need a couple of them in there. We need buckets. What'd you get right there? I guess not. That's good. No, I have plenty of them. See, they ain't recognizing the copper gears. What else do we need? We need, I guess, regular glass will work. We got the bucket. See, it just like certain items it doesn't remember. It's glass, there it was. And we're gonna need the buckets back. Bucket. 2 gears. And one of these guys. And that might have been the wrong one. I don't know if that glass will work. I think that's hold on. That was glass. That's the shit I used in the chisel. So, foot transposer, and then need to make this one. 2 of these. I'm surprised. Seeds told me I didn't have no more left in there. Unless I threw some in there. Redstone frame. I don't know if I might have all that in there or not. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. And then we need some nether bricks. To these. So it was this machine frame, these guys, and these 2 gears. Put it here, and then this on top. Well, we got them backwards. Did it again. Wow. Alright. I just need to dig in here. Put that on insert. And then one more. Put that on insert. Always active. So we both got juice. Let's throw the redstone in now. We just need to configure the bottom one. So I think it's supposed to be on blue. This one here would be. Alright, let's get some more redstone. And then, I don't think we're going to need them. This. So we need a couple buckets of this. There's some here. Craft table. Not that. So it'd be like this. Oh, I needed more actually. To actually get them out there. There you go. Okay, so and then this, this, this. Let's get a couple more buckets to this. One. What's that? What's that? So we give it 3 more out of it. Well, 2 more out of it. Then we just need to cook it. And I already pulled my stove out, so I'm going to throw it back in there. Let's just... Excuse me. So they got all kinds of different stuff. So this game will keep you busy. You gotta make 500 things to get to one. Well, I guess that's just the fun of the game, man. See, I just want to speed that up like the industrial craft, where just wham, wham, and this goes. Alright, so now, to upgrade this one, the furnace. Need some iron. Make 2 of them for now. I'm pretty sure the other mats will be the same. Then we need that furnace back. Furnace in, it was one of these, and then I think it was, or was it, we'll find out. Nope. Nope. So I don't know if that's the highest one we can get. Ooh, this one's the highest, I think. Oh man, I got plenty of them, so this shouldn't be a problem. So one of these. I redid a bunch of videos, and I made a bunch of them because I had to redo the video. So we go one more, and I need silver, and I have that. All right, so it'll be this one, and then So then, let's get some stone. I don't think it's going to do anything right now. Or cobblestone. We'll just grab a stack of that. 'Cause I don't think that's going to speed it up. I think we need to change something in it. Yes, he is not fast. So I think we need to go in here. So I did make some. I did try to make these, and then I had to read up on them a little bit. I didn't get too far into it, but they got these guys right here. So let's see if I have. I don't know how these things work, but I made some. So now would be a good time to figure it out, hopefully. So we'll open that back up. And let's see. Transfer the device. But we got room down here, so I guess we can put. I think this was the fastest one. Let's just see what happens. Well, that don't seem to be doing anything. Oh, that did it. Oh, that's a lot nicer. That's a lot nicer. So I guess you gotta have for each one of the machines. We made the green one. Let's see. Let's look at them. That is nice. I can live with that very easily. 2x speed. This one here is the 4x speed. And this one here is the 8x speed. So that's pretty cool. Now I know how to speed them up. Let's do the pulverizer. There's pulverizer. Let's see. The first one will be. Did I pull enough of that out of there? I don't think I pulled any. No. Yeah. And one of these. So that was just this. It'd be the pulverizer. And it was, I think, this. So that would give us the harden. And then we need, I think it was a red, this gear. And that was this. So now it's really going to be a little easier. So then the next one was, this. A piece of iron. I feel like a pro now, man. I feel like a pro. Nope, not a pro yet. And then it was this. And that gives us that one. So just need to make the other two speed controls. So just slap this baby up here. So we're going to need to make this one first. They got some bronze. Better have some bronze. Oh yeah. So make that one. And then we need to make this one. So we just slide these in. I guess it don't really matter where you put them at. Yeah, this one. Let me get down. Go over here and see what I have in here. Let's see what that does. Oh yeah, that's 10 times better. That was some lag error. So now it should be going down, and then into this dog. Hell yeah. That is nice. I'm all proud. I got something. I'll just come up here and start doing stuff. I need to get shiny ingots. So I need to set my. I don't know why I took that out. So now I just need to hook this up to the system and drop it in. I haven't made a whole lot of the machines, as you can see. I need to speed this one up. I need to speed all these guys up. But yeah, that's how you do it if you didn't know, because I didn't know until now. So I'm gonna end the video on that. I'm gonna make these. I'll go ahead and make these. And hook them up. And there's it to make the a bit real long video. I mean, basically it's the same thing. I think should be. Let's see. Where you at? They had the same basic, same thing. So I'm gonna end the video, and thanks for watching.